Did you know your body replaces itself almost entirely every 7 years? Stay for 20 facts about the human body that will make you see yourself differently. Let's go. Number 1. Your body produces 25 million new cells every single second. In the time it takes to read this sentence, your body has already made millions more. Number 2. The human brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. It runs on about 20 watts of power continuously. Number 3. Your skeleton is completely replaced every 10 years. The bones you have today are not the same bones you had a decade ago. Number 4. The surface area of your lungs, if unfolded, would cover an entire tennis court. They are packed into your chest in microscopic folds. Number 5. Your eyes can distinguish up to 10 million different colors, but your brain can only consciously process a fraction of what your eyes actually see. Number 6. The human body contains enough fat to make 7 bars of soap, enough iron to make a small nail, and enough carbon to fill 900 pencils. Number 7. Your heart beats around 100,000 times per day, over a lifetime that is more than 2.5 billion heartbeats without stopping. Number 8. The small intestine is about 6 meters long despite being called small. It is 3 times the height of an average human and coiled tightly inside you. Number 9. Human bone is 5 times stronger than steel by weight. A cubic inch of bone can withstand loads of up to 19,000 pounds. Number 10. Your nose can detect over 1 trillion different smells. Scientists used to think the number was only around 10,000. They were very wrong. Number 11. The cornea in your eye has no blood supply. It gets its oxygen directly from the air. It is the only part of the body that works this way. Number 12. Stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve metal. The stomach lining renews itself every 4 days to avoid self-digestion. Number 13. Your body has more bacterial cells than human cells. You are technically more microbe than human, and most of those bacteria keep you alive. Number 14. The human brain can hold approximately 2.5 petabytes of information. That is equivalent to about 3 million hours of video. Number 15. Nerve signals travel through your body at up to 430 kilometers per hour. A signal from your toe reaches your brain in milliseconds. Number 16. Humans are the only animals that produce emotional tears. Other animals produce tears to clean and protect their eyes, but only humans cry from emotion. Number 17. Your DNA, if uncoiled from just one cell, would stretch about 2 meters. If you uncoiled all the DNA in your body, it would reach the sun and back 600 times. Number 18. The liver can regenerate itself completely from just 25% of its original tissue. It is the only internal organ capable of natural regeneration. Number 19. Barbies are born with around 300 bones. Adults only have 206. Many bones fuse together during childhood and adolescence. Number 20. Your body produces a completely new set of taste buds every 10 days. Children have taste buds on the roof of their mouth too. Adults lose them over time. If your mind is blown, subscribe and hit the bell. We post new science facts every single day. See you in the next one.